Hi, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to fit Kingspan Thermakraft multi-fit pipe and cable seals. It's part of the OneWrap system, quick, self-adhesive and airtight. OneSeals a 1.2mm brands appraised seal with pre-notched rings. You pick the right size, peel and stick, no extra tape needed. First thing, the underlay needs to be clean, dry and dust free. Next, choose the correct notch that matches the pipe or cable diameter. This one will accommodate an 80mm conduit, or these smaller diameter ones will do wires or pipes from 7mm up to 22mm. And if you pinch this quite firmly, and that'll come up, and then just pull that out, bang, you've got one of your holes. We've got one out for the smaller wire here now and one out for the slightly larger wire. I'll do another one because we've got two larger wires in this particular case. That'll pull out, and so ready to have our wires come through. So we've got to start peeling the backing off now. I've just done a little tear to get it started. Gonna line that up in the diamond fashion, get that started at the back and work my way around gradually. Pressing it down nice and firmly. Beautiful. Once that's on properly, it's on there for good. And you've got a solid air and moisture seal around your surfaces. OneSeal's simple, effective and keeps your wall system airtight.